Hi, I'm Dushan and I came up with Woccupancy. The problem that I have identified is based on my personal experiences. Each time I make a trip to the washroom on campus, they come forth occupied and therefore I must queue up or go back to my class. This is due to the far located and limited number of washroom cubicles that cannot supply the demand. I eventually realized that this is a common issue not only at my university, but in any high footfall environments, such as shopping malls, airports, stadiums, and others. Speaking about crowded areas, another issue that factors in is the lack of hygiene in those shared or public toilets. This is due to the inefficient and ineffective cleaning done by the washroom cleaning team. As the world fights against the COVID-19 pandemic, hygiene is considered primordial. Woccupancy is a blend of Internet of Things, data analytics, and a mobile application to address the displeasing reality of long queues, numerous washroom visits, and as well as the poor way of cleaning washrooms. The tech stack behind is pretty simple. The PIR sensor detects motion inside the washroom cubicle, which is then connected to the Node MCU ESP8266. From here, the data is transferred to the cloud database. And from the cloud database, the data is listened by the mobile application. Being a utility app, I have emphasized greatly in terms of the user experience. Once the app is launched, it will display the landing page. Here I have added a few interesting things. As the cloud database is being used, having an internet connection is important. Without it, the app will display a network message to the user. Without accepting the policy, the user won't be able to continue to use the app. So therefore, they have to accept the privacy policy and then continue as a washroom user. These are one-time steps that the user have to do at the beginning of downloading the app and doesn't have to do it again. The app is customized according to Asia Pacific University's building, which consists of 4 blocks and 4 levels. For a user to locate themselves, they have to look for the level they are at and then select the block they are at. The app then displays the 3 nearest washrooms based on the user location. From there, the user can view the occupancy status of the washroom cubicles. For instance, when the user enters a cubicle, motion is detected. Once the user leaves the cubicle, it goes back to available. In a scenario where a user has found a dirty cubicle, he or she can report the washroom cubicle to the washroom cleaning supervisor by uploading a picture of the issue. The washroom supervisor can log in to view those reports. He then deploys a cleaner to those specific washrooms that were reported. Once clean, those reports are discarded. The washroom supervisor also has access to a dashboard that monitors the washroom traffic in order to know which washroom needs cleaning. Now, having known the features of the application, let's look into the benefits and the values that Woccupancy brings to the society. Woccupancy focuses on delivering a revolutionized and pleasant washroom experience for the washroom users. Amidst the COVID-19 global outbreak, hygiene is considered primordial, and Woccupancy works toward the way of bringing a good hygiene in those washroom cubicles. This innovation can be applied to several business sectors, including shopping malls, airports, universities, stadiums, hospitals, transport hubs, and many other high footfall areas. Woccupancy not only improves the lives of people in developed countries, but as well as in countries that are found in the global south, where sanitation is a serious matter to take into consideration. Woccupancy has its own uniqueness in terms of the blend of technology used to create it. Compared to existing washroom tracking applications, Woccupancy focuses more on the specific and accurate washroom insights, such as the location, the occupancy, and the hygiene status of washroom cubicles using IoT and data-driven techniques. Moreover, installing Woccupancy hardwares in washroom does not require as much as expertise and is easily maintainable. Furthermore, sensors and other required components are available at a very low cost. The application has been tested among students, staffs, and the washroom cleaning team at Asia Pacific University, and the positive feedbacks were recorded. The app has been viewed to be user-friendly and straightforward. Based on the interviews conducted with Asia Pacific University's Head of Operations, Student Ambassador, and Senior Business Analyst, Woccupancy is set to be implemented on a real-life scale in the APU's new campus. You might be wondering if this system has the potential to be commercialized. Woccupancy can be provided as an SaaS, a software as a service, on a monthly or a yearly subscription basis to businesses such as shopping malls, stadiums, universities, as well as hospitals, to increase the value in terms of the services these businesses provide. Customers are more likely to recommend or revisit a place where they have had a good washroom experience. We plan on selling our subscription based on the packages that customer wishes to use. For example, if company A has less than 50 toilet cubicles, they might prefer to opt for the first package. Based on our calculations, we expect to break even on the second year of operation itself.
Our application has been registered under the number of LY201001410, and a research paper was published on the International Journal of Nonlinear Analysis Application.
Our vision is to lead the washroom care industry in Malaysia. Join us in our mission to make the world a little bit better by rethinking the way that we use washrooms. Thank you.